Do you have ill-defined garden pathways that are merging with your grass? Are stones escaping, causing chaos as you mow your lawn? The answer is linkage. Linkage uses simple-to-connect components to create stylish garden edging for your home. With heights ranging from 50 to 200 millimeters, linkage comes in a natural aluminium, black or corten finish. Installation is easy. Firstly, remove all surface material. Excavate to your desired depth. Place your first section of linkage, secure it with a pin. Then connect the next section. Repeat the process around your path or patio edge. Create straight lines or gentle curves, or bend it to create tighter curves. Next, fill your path or patio with SmartPave permeable paving. Simply fill the pavers with stones, and now you'll have an attractive, well-defined pathway that greatly enhances your home.